Hello friend, welcome back to Auto Resource YouTube channel. Do you have a vehicle or situation with your car where you start your vehicle or put it in on position and your blower, right, the climate control blower doesn't work in 1, doesn't work in 2, doesn't work in 3 and works only in the 4? You hear that, right? But none of these. Well, most likely you have blown or damaged resistor for the blower motor. And I will show you how to locate it and replace it. This example is on 2006 Nissan Frontier, but on many cars, not all of them, on many cars it's in similar place. Generally, here in passenger feet down there is located the blower motor, right, for this AC unit, and also a resistor should be nearby. Let's go and check it out. I've put a light there. You will see immediately the brand new blower motor, which I just replaced, right, because it was bad, it was not working whatsoever, so I had to purchase a new unit, but somehow it wasn't used for so long that also that resistor for blower motor went bad. And look how conveniently it's positioned. This is actually connector for that resistor. So obviously the first step will be unhooking the connector, so you just have to push on this step, right, and pull it down, and you should be able to pull it down and away from that resistor. Now, this Nissan and the Toyota, they use very tiny screws. It's actually 5.5 millimeter tool. And that's what you need to remove two screws which are holding it there, right? So this is the one, and I will show you. This is the second one right here. So let me take it off. Here you can see the detail of those screws. There was a clip holding that wire harness, and here is the resistor itself, right? It just fell down by its weight. You don't have to pull it out or do anything like that. Now, when you will go shop for a new one, there are two types. This is the flat one, and then is the one which looks completely different, and that one is for automatic climate control. Here you can nicely see brand new unit which I purchased this morning. So I will go ahead, install it inside, and let's see if the diagnosis was correct and it will fix the problem. So let's see, was the diagnosis correct? On position, right, moment of the truth. Will it work? All right, nice, right, everything works fluently and correctly, and our problem was fixed. We were correct that this unit failed, right, and everything will work perfectly for the owner of this Nissan. So I hope you enjoyed this video. It's somehow helpful to you, and please make sure you are subscribed to this channel. I will have way more videos coming your way very soon. Have a good one.